Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of XKUBE Connects. My name is George, and this is Mr. Uni. Welcome to Game 4, the final game of the XKUBE giveaway contest. If you've missed games 1, 2, and 3, don't worry, you can still play and enter all your guesses up until midnight of July 3rd, 2021. We will put all the links of games 1 through 4 in the description of this video. Remember, every game you play, you can win up to 12 entries. 12 entries. 12 entries. To win the ultimate prize of the Ultima Cosa 8-liter air fryer and other prizes. A 3D pen, a Shimono car vacuum, an XKUBE hoodie, and the ultimate grand prize of the Ultima Cosa 8-liter air fryer. So, let's get started with Game 4. In a previous video, we unboxed the Ultima Cosa 8-liter air fryer. Please pay careful attention as the difficulty has gone up. We will be asking 3 questions. Please answer each question separately in separate guesses. The first question is, how many chicken thighs were placed in the air fryer? And the second question is, what are the screws included in the package used for? And the third and final question is, what was placed on Mr. Uni's shoulder? The link to enter the contest is in the description of the video. Simply click on the link and enter your guesses. Each correct answer will net you 4 entries, and an incorrect guess will net you 1 entry, for a possible total of 12 entries. Remember, you have up until midnight of July 3rd, 2021 to enter all games from 1 through 4. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button as well as the big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well to get notified of the next video. And the next video will be the announcement of all the lucky winners. We wish everybody the best of luck, and please stay safe.